Baby Max. Where's your breakfast? Where's my breakfast? Give me my breakfast. Where's my coffee? Tell her, where's my coffee?
Quer café? Quer café?
Where's my coffee, Mr. Max?
Toma. Toma.
Ah. Happy Max. Are you happy, Max? Put the balloon over there. Who's your friend, Balloon? Put it down. It's so big I can't see it. Put it behind him. What is it, Max? What is that balloon?
I think Daddy got this balloon for you. Go.